There was a clear blue sky. It was morning, and the sun's rays were slowly spreading across the earth. The cool winds were blowing, and a flock of birds was flying freely in the sky. Among these birds were some pigeons, parrots, mynas, and a wise hawk. When birds fly high, they can see the beautiful view of the earth clearly. They see fields, forests, rivers, mountains, and human settlements. But that day was different. As these birds flew in the open sky and looked down at the earth, they saw a shocking sight. Below was a dry forest, where the leaves of the trees had withered, the ground was cracked, and animals were wandering around aimlessly. The deer, rabbits, jackals, and even lions looked restless and weak. The hawk looked down carefully and said, "Friends, look, all these animals seem very thirsty. Perhaps it hasn't rained here, and there is no source of water left." The mynah said worriedly, "Oh, what a sad sight. We can fly anywhere and find water, but what will happen to these helpless animals?"